teen police fatal shootings. But what about plans for operations and cases where guns are planted on crime scenes? An update from Indicom. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, wanted. Police tell 2 men in St. James to turn themselves in following shooting of police constable. Health Minister worried about possible measles outbreak in Jamaica. We tell you why. And in business news, another bank on track to cut banking fees. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, we have the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what can be done to improve the professionalism of the security forces? You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjan. Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.